Hey wonderful souls, welcome back to Zen Fit. Today, we are delving into the ancient practice that has been enriching lives for centuries, yoga. It's not just a physical exercise, it's a holistic journey that unites mind, body, and spirit. So, grab your yoga mat, find a quiet space, and let's explore the transformative power of yoga together. To truly appreciate yoga, we need to understand its roots. Originating in ancient India, yoga has a history dating back over 5,000 years. Initially, it was a spiritual practice aimed at achieving harmony between the mind and the divine. The word yoga itself means union, the union of the individual soul with the universal consciousness. As it traveled through time, yoga evolved into a multifaceted discipline with physical, mental, and spiritual dimensions. Now, let's explore the diverse paths of yoga. There isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Hatha yoga, the most widely practiced, focuses on physical postures and breath control. Vinyasa emphasizes the flow between poses, while Kundalini targets the energy within the body. Ashtanga follows a set sequence of poses, and Iyengar stresses precision and alignment. Bhakti yoga is the path of devotion, and Jnana yoga is the pursuit of knowledge. Understanding these different paths allows us to find the one that resonates with our individual needs and goals. Now, let's dive into the incredible mental benefits of yoga. Beyond the physical postures, yoga is a profound tool for cultivating mental well-being. It reduces stress by calming the nervous system and promotes relaxation through mindful breathing. The meditative aspects of yoga enhance focus and clarity, fostering a tranquil state of mind. Yoga has been linked to improvements in anxiety, depression, and overall emotional resilience. As we breathe through the poses, we learn to navigate the ebb and flow of life with a sense of calm and balance. Shifting gears, let's explore the physical benefits of yoga. The postures, or asanas, improve flexibility, strength, and balance. They enhance circulation, which is not only beneficial for the heart but also for the skin and organs. Yoga is a low-impact exercise that's gentle on the joints, making it accessible to people of all ages and fitness levels. Regular practice can alleviate chronic pain, improve posture, and enhance overall physical vitality. It's not about contorting your body, it's about honoring and nurturing it. Now, let's journey into the energetic realm of yoga, the chakras. In yogic philosophy, chakras are energy centers within the body. There are 7 main chakras, each associated with specific physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects of our being. From the root chakra at the base of the spine to the crown chakra at the top of the head, these energy centers are interconnected, influencing our overall well-being. Understanding the chakras allows us to address imbalances and foster a harmonious flow of energy throughout the body. Yoga is a powerful tool for awakening and balancing the chakras. Through specific poses, breath work, and meditation, practitioners can direct energy to each chakra, removing blockages and fostering a sense of equilibrium. For example, heart-opening poses like camel pose can activate the heart chakra, promoting love and compassion. As we move through the asanas, we create a free flow of energy, ensuring that each chakra is vibrant and aligned. It's a journey inward, reconnecting with the subtle energies that shape our existence. As we bring our exploration into the modern era, it's fascinating to see how yoga has transcended cultural boundaries and become a global phenomenon. In today's fast-paced world, yoga provides a sanctuary for self-care and introspection. From bustling city studios to the serenity of home practice, people are recognizing the need to pause, breathe, and reconnect with themselves. Scientific research continues to validate the physical and mental benefits of yoga, making it an integral part of holistic healthcare. Yoga is not just a practice, it's a lifestyle that resonates with the challenges and joys of contemporary living. As we conclude our journey into the transformative power of yoga, I invite you to embrace this ancient practice with an open heart and mind. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a beginner taking your first steps on the mat, the essence of yoga lies in the journey. It's a journey of self-discovery, of finding balance, and of nurturing the connection between mind, body, and spirit. So, as you roll up your yoga mat today, carry the wisdom of this ancient practice into your life, and let the transformative power of yoga continue to unfold in every breath, pose, and moment. Namaste, and until next time, stay blissful.